What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to delete your second Instagram account. So let's say you have like more than one Instagram account, like 2 or more, and you want to remove one of them from your phone. You want to be signed in with just one account. So to do so, let's click on the personal photo on the bottom right corner here. It'll go to your page. Then tap on the 3 lines here on the top right corner. Now choose settings and scroll down to the accounts center under meta here. Tap on it and then tap on accounts at the bottom. Here it'll show you your Instagram accounts. I'm only signed in with one. As you can see, there is only one Instagram account. So for the sake of the video, I'll show you if I want to remove it from my device. So if I tap on remove, it'll ask me if I'm sure if I want to remove it, and it'll also tell me that it will be removed from your phone. I'll lose access to it, but it will also not be activated or deleted. It'll still be there. I can sign back into it, but it'll be removed from my phone. So if I tap remove here account, that's the first option, it'll be removed from my phone.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.